Good afternoon, this is Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're at 87B Nipmuc Trail, North Providence, Rhode Island. It's a fully redesigned 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom condo style townhouse available for rent in the Louisquisset condo community. We're starting our video tour right here when you first walk in. Before we make it upstairs, we're going to do a little tour for downstairs. To my left there is 1-car garage. To my right, you got huge closet space. Second door to my right, brand new washer and dryer, plenty of storage. Got your half bathroom here to my left, modern fixtures, vanity and toilet. As we make our way here, you got your new redesigned kitchen to my right. You got your dining area with overhead lights, fresh paint. Sliding doors there lead to your private porch overlooking beautiful backyard. To my left here, this is a treat. You got a fully redone kitchen here, gorgeous backsplash, plenty of countertop and cabinet space, dishwasher, new lighting throughout, got your own kitchen island, state-of-the-art gas stove, huge refrigerator, overlooking the sunken living room here. Cathedral ceilings, beautiful skylight there, huge picture window right in front of me. Got your gas fireplace here. Another entrance out to the porch and backyard. Now we're going to make our way upstairs where you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Both of those bathrooms are en suite. Right at the top of the stairs, you got your smaller of the 2 bedrooms, could easily fit a queen or a king set. Despite having central air throughout, you do have ceiling fans overhead. And then we make our way to your ensuite bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous shower. Fully redone there. Freshly painted bathroom with a vanity. Now we're going to make our way into the main bedroom. Easily can fit a king set. Got your walk-in closet here. Plenty of room for storage. And over here, left side, you get your full bathroom here. Sit-down shower. Absolutely gorgeous backsplash there as well. Another skylight. If you're interested or would like to apply for 87B Nipmuc Trail, North Providence, click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.